Hi guys, Steve here with MassPage Empire. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be going over local silo structure and interlinking. So let's go ahead and get started here. The first thing that I do is the way that I set up my silo. And I set up my silo with state, main keyword plus my city because I'm trying to get ranked for my short tail. So this is essentially is my short tail. Then I do sub keyword plus city to stab. Okay, and this would be my long tail. So in this example, you see that I have paintingsite.com, which is my root. Then I have my first silo, which is my state, which would be Texas. Then I have my second silo, which is my main keyword plus city, or this would be my short tail, which is interior painting Dallas. Then I have my third silo, which is my sub keyword plus my city to stab, which this would be considered my long tail. And so this would be interior painting cost Dallas TX. So this is pretty much the whole thing that I do when I'm trying to do a local lead gen site or local whatever. This is pretty much exactly how I do all my silo structure. Again, right here on my city silo index page, I want to make this, I don't want to make it just Dallas. I want to make this more along the lines of my short tail keyword, because I want to get ranked for my short tail. I don't want to get ranked for Dallas. That's just that doesn't make any sense. I want to get ranked for interior painting Dallas and exterior painting Dallas because these are my short tail keywords. Okay, so going on. The next thing that we need to do is we need to do interlinking between these and all these right here. So one of the first things that we need to take a look at is we need to start doing breadcrumbs. Now breadcrumbs can be found in a widget inside of MPC. I'll be having a video here shortly going over how to set this all up and interlink this entire thing out. But we need to start having breadcrumbs, and so our breadcrumbs need to start from the outside going inward. So we need to start with our last silo, which would be silo number 3 right here, and we're going to start linking back to our city silo index page. From our city silo index page we go back to our state silo index page, and then from our state silo index page we link back to our root. Okay, now what this does is this reinforces the silo structure in which you've already built. The main reason why we want to do a silo structure is we're telling Google, hey, this is exactly the way that my pages are interlinked. This is what, you know, everything that's under this silo right here is about interior painting in Dallas, Texas. Okay, everything that's under this silo right here is under exterior painting. So again, using breadcrumbs reinforces the silo structure. Now the next thing that we want to talk about is silo linking. So breadcrumbs goes up, silo linking goes down. So we want to link from our root domain down to our first silo. Okay. Now our first silo is Texas. So from Texas we want to link out to all of our cities. So for instance, in this particular build, let's say I had 20 cities. I would link out each of these 20 cities out to each of their prospective city silo index pages. So in other words, I would link out to exterior painting Dallas, and I would also link out to interior painting Dallas. So if I had 20 cities, I would actually have 40 links right here on the Texas page going out to every one of these. Okay. So the next thing that I would have is I would be right here at my city silo index page. I would be linking out to my sub keyword pages or my long tail. Okay, so here's my short tail, here's my long tail. I want to link out from these right here out to my long tails. Okay, so by doing this I have a great silo structure that's going all the way from my root all the way to the very last page in my silos. Okay, so that's what we've got going on right here. Larry's in development right now with a great little widget that's actually going to make this really, really simple to do, and then link out to every one of these for your child pages. So this being a parent page, this would be a child page, and then this would be a parent page of my sub keyword. So he's got this great little widget that he's working on right now. Can't wait until it's out. It's going to save a ton of time, and it's going to just further reinforce the silo structure. That's the main reason why we're doing all this. Okay, so let's go on to the next thing. The next thing that we're looking at here is we're doing our previous and next. Now, within our previous and next, we want to interlink these pages right here. So we want to interlink our Dallas pages. All of our Dallas pages are going to be interlinked within that silo, okay? Now, seeing that I have another thing right here, now I didn't actually, in this example, I didn't actually do more than one city. I just did one city in this example. So in this interior painting Dallas, if I had, let's say, interior painting Plano, I would also want to interlink these as well with previous and next. Now, one of the things that I've found that works really well is doing a var special on these, and meaning, and I'll show you how that all works in the next video I make on putting this all together. But doing a var special on these and then making my keyword, in this case interior painting cost right here, would be linking over to here, interior painting contractors. So I make my keyword my actual anchor text for my previous and next. Works really, really well that way. And so vice versa over here, interior painting contractors, I would have a previous that's on there that would be linking over to here, interior painting cost Dallas. So again, we're interlinking these. If I had more than one city that I was showing in this example, I would also be interlinking between those two as well, because this is a silo. Same thing with your state. You want to interlink all the things in your silo, okay? So if you want to interlink everything within the silo structure that you have. Okay, so let's move on to the next thing. So let's move on to the next thing. So this is how everything would look like. A big, grand 50-foot picture here. I have all my breadcrumbs that are linking upward towards my route. I have my silo linking that is linking downward towards my last silo. And then I also have all my pages interlinked within each perspective silo, okay? So everything's interlinked within this. Now, when I do something like this, this creates a total interlinked site, okay? And I'll show you one of the benefits of that now. So for instance, let's say if we were to start on SEO backlinks, one of the things that we want to do if you're ever trying to do any type of SEO backlink, you always want to start with linking out to your route, because linking out to an interior page kind of looks funny and suspicious, because you want to actually show a link profile on your root domain primarily. If you get started, that's just a little tidbit for you. But one of the things about having our silo structure and interlinking the way that we do is right now, if I sent a backlink to this paintingsite.com, because of my silo structure and because of my interlinking, everything is linked together. So for instance, this comes in right here to the root. From the root, it goes down to the state. From the state, it goes out to the cities. And from the cities, it goes out to my sub-keyword pages, which are my content pages. Every one of these pages are interlinked as well. So what ends up happening is I'm getting this link juice that's flowing through my entire site. Same thing if I came back over here and let's say I did an SEO backlink to an inner page of a city silo index page. So interior painting Dallas. Well, because of my breadcrumbs are linking upward, this is eventually going to hit the root. The link juice from this is going to hit the root. Well, also because of my silo linking is linking downward, it's going to hit my sub-keyword pages as well. Same thing if I have my SEO backlinks. It's a little cut off here, but you guys get the picture. Same thing if I have my SEO backlinks right here on my sub-keyword pages. If I hit this here on my sub-keyword pages, it's all linked back via breadcrumbs. So it's going back here to my city silo index pages, back here to my state silo index page, and then all the way back to my root. Now, another benefit of having a link structure just like this is because your entire site is linked together by everything. Your entire site is linked together by everything. What happens is when Google comes to start crawling your site, it sees that, oh, hey, I have a link here. Now I have a link here. And so you're actually able to get your site crawled a lot faster and get indexed a lot faster because of the interlinking in which you can do. So anyway, guys, I hope this video was helpful. I try to offer value and everything else. I'll have these slides and diagrams available over in the River group as well, and it'll be in a post. All right, thanks, guys. I appreciate it, and I hope you have a great day.